Hello guys, welcome back to Data Forge by Piyush. In our last video, we have covered three scenarios which were requested by CEO of the organizations where he wanted to see the data where we have a matching column or matching department ID between two data frames, employee data frame and department data frame. So these are the two data frames, employee and department. This is the employee data frame and this is the department data frame. See, this is the department data frame. I have onboarded both of the data frame already. So I will just execute this again. So this is the query. We have learned in our past videos how to read CSV files. So this I have read this employee file and this is the department file. So now we have employee data frame having 6 rows, 6 employees, and department data frame with 4 rows, 4 different department. Now we will see in our past video, in our last video, we have seen when there is a match between both of this department ID column. This department ID column in the employee data frame and department ID column in a department data frame. When there is a match, he wants to see those records. So that's called the inner join. When there is even not a join from the right side table, but he wants to see all the data from the left side table or the employee table, that was the left join. And third scenario was he wanted to see the all data from department table even though there is a no matching department ID in your employee table. That was your right side right join. So in this fourth request, the CEO of the organization has shared the requirement that he want to see all the data from the employee table when there is a match with the department table, but only employee table data, not any department column. In our past data frames, you must have seen we had employee data as well as department data frame all together in a single one. But now he wants to see the data only with from the employee table. He don't want to see these three fields. How we will import that? How we will calculate it? Let's see. So first we will learn or we will see the code, then we will discuss about the type of join. So how it will be look? df employee dot join with df department table when, and join will be on department ID. And what kind of join we are going to take? See, now this is very important. Earlier we have seen three type of join: inner, left and right. This was the inner join, this was the left join, this was the right join. You can see the keyword we have used is the left, right and inner. Now we have to see only data from the employee table, not from the department table, but there should be matching IDs. So that type of join is called the semi join or the left semi, you can say. Only data, only columns from employee table you will get when there is a match with department ID. So while this is getting executed, I will add this display as well. See, this is the result of the left semi type of join. You can see we have received all of this department ID 1, 2, 3, 2 with the employee ID, employee name and salary. When there is a match, we can see in our raw data frame. How raw data frame looks like? See, employee table we have a IDs like 1, 2, 3, 2 and 5 null. While in the department table 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. You can see the matching department IDs are only 1, 2, 3 and this 2. So these are the 4 rows when there is a match between your employee and department table. based on this department ID. So in our left semi join, we have received these only 4 rows, 101, 2, 3 and 4 employee ID. So this was all about your left semi join. So I will just write it down here. What is this? Left semi. What is this left semi join? Only left side table data when there is a match with right side, or only left side table data with when there is a match with the right side. I will put it as header 3, and yeah, this is all about your left semi join. So this is all data we have seen when there is a match. Now CEO has requested, he wants to see all the distinct records from the employee table when there is a no match. So basically there were two different kind of requests. One was he want to see when there is a match, and next is when he wants to see when there is not a match. This is opposite of this left semi join. So that is called the left anti. Let's see the results of this left anti join. So he has provided data from the employee table when there is no matching department ID in your department table. We can see it. So employee table, we had these 6 rows. First 4 row has a matching department ID in your department table, while the last 2 rows 105 and 6 does not have any matching department ID with your department table. You can see there is no null or 5 department ID. That's why this is coming in the left anti-join, and this was for the requirement of the CEO. He wanted to see the data from the tables when there is an exact match with the department table, and second was when there is no match with the department table. He wanted to segregate the employees based on the matching departments. If there is no matching department, he wants to see the result of those employees in a separate table. That's called your left anti-join, which only provides data from right side table, data from left side table which has no matching data in right side table. That's your left anti-join. So today we have covered 2 more scenarios. How to retrieve the data from only one table based on the matching column. When there is a match, exact match, and when there is not a single match. So you can see these 4 rows shows there was a exact match between employee and department table. While these data shows these IDs does not have any single match with the department table. So this is how you can segregate the employees based on the matching department.